Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Netflix audio description. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Netflix audio description, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Netflix application on your phone. You can also do this on your smart TV. Make sure you select the primary profile. After that, go ahead and open the Netflix video where you want to turn off audio description. Then make sure you play the video. Now, once you play the video, what you want to do next is go ahead and click on the pause button to pause the video. And then click on audio and subtitles. Once you click on that, come to AC audio. You want to scroll through audio, just keep scrolling until you get to audio description. This audio description could be in English or any other supported language. Now, for you to turn off audio description on Netflix for this particular video, all you need to do is go ahead and select the language original. In this case, we have English audio description. So we need to go ahead and select English original. Once selected, go ahead and click on apply. And then once that's applied, then you're good. And that's going to turn off audio description on the Netflix video. And then you are good. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.